Hi everyone, it's me, Saiza Ragunhan, and welcome to another episode of Babae Sino Ka? The podcast. If this is your first time here, this is about the stories of the women in the dance community. So, yung mga from the street dance community where they are now, and today, we are going to be featuring one of the former members of the Philippine All-Stars. She is a choreographer, a mentor, a coach, and of course, a performer. She is like one of the ladies, kaya nga yun yung pangalan niya. Let's welcome the one and only Krista Roma.
Hi everyone! Hello.
I'm Krista Lady. Yes!
Battle name kayo.
Battle,
Krista Lady.
Girl, Krista Lady. Yes. How are you?
I'm great. Okay naman.
Diba? From New York
Chill
to
lang.
hello.
Hello.
To here.
Oo nga. New York pa tayo
last tayo nakita.
Yeah.
So, yes, how are we feeling?
Okay naman. Medyo weird lang tong podcast na to. Parang not so used to speaking or talking to you with the mic
Actually,
on. But okay lang.
Yes.
Okay naman. Relax.
And if hindi nyo siya kilala, well, dapat kilala nyo siya. Well, she is like one of like her presence in the scene may be silent, but the way she perform on stage, it's loud. I swear. I mean, her stance, the way she carries herself, like especially when she's wearing heels, like girl, the way she looks at the crowd, whew, girl. Mapapatulala ka na lang talaga.
Grabe naman yung
Seryoso,
description na
girl.
yun.
Nakaka-hypnotize. And the last time I saw her perform was during the, yung ginawa nating performance with Jam. Showgirls.
Showgirls, yeah.
Isa yun. So I was really mesmerized by her piece.
Aw, thank you
And
naman.
like, girl,
Syempre.
never nawala, sis. I
Syempre.
mean, parang after all this, the maturity is crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, pero like, syempre dati nakikita ko siya super hip-hop, ganyan. As in like, super raw, like street hip-hop. And now, sobrang iba the way she carries herself. That, ano mga girl? And, oo nga.
Okay.
But apart from that, she is she's also doing something that I feel like hindi from the dance community, you may not know where etong community na to that she's teaching at. Parang ganyan. Yung mini-mentor niya ngayon or where she's leading or where she's coaching and sharing her movement. It's what you call the Special Olympics. And nung nakita ko, I was really like, wow, ang galing. I was inspired and impressed by it. Like,
thank
girl,
you.
it's a different level of like sharing that art form.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah,
So, syempre, I wanna know from hip-hop, from like all that, like being a performer, being on stage, what led you to Special Olympics? How did you discover this community? And yeah, what made you stay there?
Paano ba? I think it started way back pa, nung mas active pa ako sa dance. So,
okay.
I did like yung mga trips ko to New York. And then, in one of those trips, na-meet ko yung national director ng Special Olympics that time.
Ooh,
And then during that time, it was, hindi siya nag-register sa akin. But I'm so glad we met because I also have a brother who's in the spectrum, meaning may autism. So, when she introduced the organization to me, parang naging interested ako. But, during that time, I didn't know how to help kasi it's a sports-centric organization. So, to volunteer, parang, hindi naman ako sporty. Noon. Hindi naman ako sporty noon. So, wala akong, parang, okay, so how do I volunteer? And then also, yung location, mostly, it's in Manila. So, it was difficult for me to bring my brother dun sa mga activities nila. So, nung time na yun, parang, okay, it's there, and then we'll just see. Parang, ano lang sa akin, sige, tingnan natin. Ganon.
Okay.
And then, fast forward, mga 4 years after, I got a message from her. Pangalan niya, si Coach K. So, I got a message from her and then she was asking me if I can teach dance sa kanila, sa athletes nila. So, we call the members there na with intellectual disabilities athletes. So, she asked me if I can teach them how to dance because yung dance is magiging event na siya dun sa World Games nila. So, Special Olympics is a global organization. And then we just have our own chapter.
A branch here in the Philippines.
And then it works just like your regular Olympics na meron dito. And then we also have World Games.
Interesting. May ganun pala.
Yes, may ganun. Okay. And then noong 2019, nagkaroon ng dance exhibition. Okay. So, pagka-exhibition, it means hindi pa siya officially an event.
Okay.
Or
so, parang hindi pa competitive.
Oo, parang present lang na, may ganito.
Okay.
Yung possibility siguro na pwede siyang maging sport in the future. So, nag-open sila ng ganun. And then, they asked me kasi, I guess, ako yung kilala niya na may experience with a person with a disability. And then also, may experience teaching. And then, nung sinabi niya yun sa akin, medyo kinabahan ako. Kasi iba magturo.
Yeah.
Iba, 'di ba? Parang paano ko ituturo yung dance sa kanila. But also, kahit may kaba ako, immediately I said yes. Because inisip ko, okay, sinong ibang pwedeng gumawa nito? From the community. If they reached out to someone else, nisip ko din, parang, okay, I also feel na maybe I'm the right person din na nilapitan nila.
That's true.
So, we did nilaunch namin yung dance classes. And then, I realized, sabi ko, okay, nung nag-prepare ako ng plano ko, and then I realized, oh my God, warm up pa lang, my God. Parang kailangan ko, iba. Oo. Yeah. And then, yung expectations ko how to handle the class, parang sabi ko, medyo kailangan kong bagalan, kailangan kong dalian, ganon. Pero, during that time, inano ko din, hinanda ko rin yung sarili ko for yung,
a different challenge.
A different challenge. Na parang, baka it's not gonna happen the way I imagine it na mangyayari. So, okay lang. Parang sabi ko, okay, kahit na medyo kabado ka, relax ka lang. Kasi ultimately, this is just dance. Ang end goal is for everyone to enjoy. Yun lang yun. Tapos, nung time na yun, kasama ko si Bea, we taught them. Pero yun nga, yung realizations ko, it was a successful dance class. But the realization is, okay, if I'm gonna do this regularly, I need to equip myself. Because I have the athletes learning from me, and I'm gonna be talking to parents. Diba? Na parang, and I wanna feel also confident and equipped to teach them. And syempre, they trust me. Sa akin pinagkakatiwala yung anak nila. So, I wanna give the athletes the best experience possible. So, after nung first class na yon, nagkataon, pupunta ulit ako ng States. Lagi lang pupunta. So,
sana all.
Hindi, magpupunta ako doon, bumibisita talaga ako sa mom ko. And then, nagkataon kasi, my family lives in New York. So, very accessible, anything that has to do with dance. So, pagdating ko doon, apart from the dance classes that I took, nag-research ako, saan kaya ako pwedeng matuto ng paano mag-teach ng people with intellectual disabilities, whether it's a seminar, kahit hindi dance class, or kahit hindi about dance, but just
how to approach
yung ganitong opportunity na matuturuan ko sila. Sakto, pag-research ko, oh my gosh, dance, hip-hop for intellectual disabilities.
Wow.
Nahanap ko siya.
Oh my God.
Oo. So, ako parang, okay, sige.
It's your calling.
Oo.
Girl.
Parang, sabi ko, sumakto siya na merong ganon exactly na kung ano yung kailangan ko.
Nung
And
visit
then,
mo, no?
Oo, nung visit ko na yun. So, I took it, and then tinapos ko din siya during that visit. Pag uwi ko, okay, apply tayo ng ganito. I-apply natin lahat ng na-learn natin. But of course, yun nga parang what I also learned teaching people with intellectual disabilities is what works today may not work tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then, what works for the same person today, pwede ding hindi na siya mag-work maya-maya.
Yeah.
So, you really have to have like a bag of tricks with you when you teach them. So, hindi siya yung katulad sa mga regular natin tinuturuan na very like we stick to the system, we stick to a plan, and then okay lang. Ito, kailangan you really have to be very observant. You have to know, you have to feel, because some of them don't speak.
Yeah.
Diba? They don't know how to express themselves.
Yeah.
Pag sinabi, hindi nila nasasabi na, ayoko na. Ano na, tired na ako.
Yeah,
o kaya, hindi ko gusto yung song. Minsan hindi nila na-express yun. They will just be, mafe-feel mo lang na mag-iiba. So, sometimes you, like, actually not sometimes, all the time, you need to learn how to read between the lines with them. So, yun. Officially, gumawa na ako ng program with them. And then supposedly, we were gonna launch like a boot camp pre-pandemic.
Okay.
Sakto siya. Parang, di ba, nag-pandemic ng March 2020. Last week of March, yung schedule namin. So, lahat yon nabura. Na-cancel.
Yeah.
So,
shocks.
Oo. So, ako parang, okay. Ang worry ko naman nun was, so, walang activities yung mga athletes at all. Because, Special Olympics is a sports-centric na organization. Yun yung training na nare-receive nila. It requires for them to go out.
Yeah.
And play with other people outside. Bawal nun. So, ako naman naisip ko, okay, so I think dance yung pinaka pwede. So, gumawa ako agad mga April. Sabi ko, gawa kaya ako ng tutorials. Tapos, hindi ko pa siya masyadong in-overthink noon na parang paano, basta gumawa lang ako. Kahit na yung quality, oh my God, talaga.
Gulo-gulo.
Gulo-gulo. Tapos, you have to learn na how to speak in front of the camera. We don't
like,
do that.
1 month pa lang after
diba?
Pandemic, parang ang dami na. Kailangan mo mag-adjust.
Kailangan mo agad mag-adjust. Pero ako, my focus was them because I live with my brother who's in the spectrum. And I can imagine the anxiety that other families also experience. Having someone na parehas ng kapatid ko na hindi na sila nakakalabas, yung daily routine nila nasisira. So, sabi ko, kailangan to agad-agad. Gawan natin ng something. So, what I did was, weekly, may tutorials kami. Tapos nung una, medyo, pangat pa yung quality. And then, ako din, yung personal experience ko was, parang unti-unti lang nag-i-improve. Yung ako as a teacher, and then, yung natututo ako how to adjust. Like, di ba lahat tayo, parang natutulang din nun mag-adjust. And at the same time, I get to help then them. So, with those tutorials, what we did was, we created a page, and then, post ako ng tutorial ko, papanoorin nila. Kunwari, post ako ng Monday, practice it for how many days, kung ano yung gusto mo, and then, example, Thursday, submit it, post it. Post as a comment. And then, what I loved about that was everyone was supportive.
Wow.
Yung mga parents kasi part din ng page na yun. So, even the athletes na may mga account, they would comment, good job, you're so good, ganun. So, ang ganda ng energy sa loob ng page na yun, na parang, like, even if, when syempre, hindi naman lahat na kukuha nila yung skill kasi, syempre may parang, yung understanding, hindi naman ganun pa with dancing, but just a little improvement. Parang, girl, I have students na we started, can't even, for example, the dance move is this, cannot even do it. Kasi hindi nila naintindihan. Parang hindi siya nagko-connect.
Yeah.
It took a year.
Interesting.
Bago magawa to. But, because the energy is just supportive.
Yeah.
We don't see yung timeline na gano'n na hindi kami parang tagal
dapat
na.
Ganyan.
Ang tagal na, ba't di ka pa? No.
Yeah.
A little improvement, sobra na kaming goods doon. And like, when you see them improve, ito din yung kung bakit ko siya na parang, ba't ako nag-stick to it. So, when you see them improve, when you see that they are confident, you will feel also the confidence ng family. Alam mo yung parang, dati, they don't know how to help yung family member nila. Parang lagi lang, parang wala kasing activities or hindi nila alam paano, saan nila dadalhin, parang may mga extracurricular activities. But because of that, like yun, for example, that same student of mine, hindi niya nagagalaw. Nung nakita nila na, hindi pala nagagalaw, pero nakangiti na habang sumasayaw. Tapos kahit na hindi niya nakukuha yung choreography, parang ganun-ganun lang siya.
The feeling.
Pero yung feeling na he is happy. And he's non-verbal But when you see na umingiti, you also change yung dynamic sa household.
Yeah.
Na because yung dati akala nila na parang mabigat na may ganun talagang families and sometimes they hide it.
Yeah.
Ganun. But now, because the person mismo feels lighter, he feels confident, buong family nagiging confident and they feel empowered na, okay, what can we do more for him? What activities pa? Alam mo yun, naiisip na nila na, okay, there are more activities pa pala na pwede. So, that's I think, one of my inspiration for doing this. Because, yun nga, personal experience ko din siya. And to be able to help other people, not just the athletes, sobrang iba. Yeah. And to think na, I get to do that because of my roots. Yung roots natin.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang dun ako, parang wow.
Yeah.
Hindi ko akalain na, sipin mo, hip-hop or street dance.
Yeah.
Ganun ang,
yun yung impact niya.
Yun yung impact, diba?
Like
na ganun yung, pwede siyang maging medium talaga ng change.
Yeah.
That is my version of that.
Yeah.
We keep on saying that diba? Na parang, any dance style, not just hip-hop, even your style, we keep saying na this is a medium of change. Ganon. But iba if it's happening in front of you. Na hindi naman talaga parang they're not even exposed sa community natin.
Yeah.
But when you're able to bring it to them, dun siya nagiging mas totoo na parang it's a medium for change talaga.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Amazing.
Haba nung kwento ko. Tuloy-tuloy.
Totoo. Amazing, no? And it requires like a special like patience, that mindfulness, and being able to communicate. Girl, iba.
Iba talaga.
Iba. And girl, ikaw lang talaga yung kaya gumawa. So, feeling ko, oh my gosh, the patience, mahirap. And syempre, you're connected with the community din. Having that experience, parang it would be like, talagang yun nga, you're meant to be there. Ikaw talaga yung makaka-change.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung medium, ikaw yung person that can really do it. No one else. I feel
No one
like.
else talaga.
I feel
And
like.
I feel like meron naman din.
It's
It's just that, for me, baka ako lang yung nauna.
right timing.
Oo. And also, right timing. Kasi, like, ako naman din yung ma-reach out nila on it.
Yeah.
Ako din naman yung pinili ko din naman na bumabad sa ganitong calling.
Yeah.
So, like, my work with Special Olympics, that is like a volunteer work. But, kasi, ang dami kong na-learn eh. Lahat ng who I am now as a teacher, it's because nag-dive ako with them.
Yeah.
So, even like when I got that certification to be a dance teacher for people with intellectual disabilities, ang dami ko na-learn as a teacher for everyone.
Yeah.
Na how to break it down, how to adjust, how to be more observant, kung ano palang type of student.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? 'Di ba? Parang hindi pala dati kasi nung bata-bata pa tayong teacher, you come in as I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Ang ilalatag ko dito,
yung alam ko.
Choreo ko.
Yeah.
Oo, choreo ko.
Yeah, that's true.
Eat my choreo. Ganon.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But now, coming from that experience, parang na-realize ko, if you want to be a teacher, you have to come in to teach. So you have to think, you have to observe ano yung kailangan ng students. So, ganun ako with my experience with them. Na-translate ko na sa ano din. Sa groove sessions naman. Na parang, okay, I have regular students. And then, ma-observe mo na, okay, parang ito yung kulang sa kanya. Okay, ito na yung ilatag natin. Hindi na siya yung parang, there's a time and place for us to be an artist.
Yeah, that's
diba?
true.
Sa labas, hindi siya sa loob ng dance classes natin. Kailangan sa dance classes natin, parang, we really teach. Oo, hindi tayo choreographer doon, diba? Kailangan turok. Parang, even if you need to find a language para ma-translate mo yung gusto mong mabigay, ganun. Hindi na siya yung parang, okay, ito yung choreo ko. Sige, gawin ninyo siya. Ganun. So, yun naman din yung mga take away ko na even if like it's a volunteer work, ang dami ko na learn as a teacher. But also now, I am really teaching na I have a program outside Special Olympics. I have a program for people with intellectual disabilities if they want to learn from me. So, I do one-on-one sessions with them. Pero, ano na yun, like, may nakasalang ng program meant for them na, and parang, kumaga, taken into account na what they need, what they exactly need as a person with disability. So, yun. Parang naging practice ground ko si Special Olympics ganon. And then, natutunan ko, okay, this is what I'm gonna do na for the programs na gusto kong ilatag for anyone who wants to learn how to dance.
Galing, no? Ganon. Parang minsan hindi mo sinasadya kasi di ba you mentioned earlier, you encountered it already 4 years before you really dived into it. Parang si Universe na yung nagsabi na, girl, slowly.
May tinanim.
Oo.
Tapos after 4 years, nagkaroon
parang,
ng...
diba? Nag-sprout siya. Tapos parang, ang galing. Kasi parang, when you're teaching, kasi minsan, yun rin yung sinasabi ko na parang, it's not usually about what you teach, but how you teach, how you communicate it with your students. And like, you also learn from, yun nga, exactly, you learn from your students. Kasi ikaw rin, as a teacher, as a mentor, you grow from each experience, each class.
Yes.
Lalo na yung sa'yo, like you mentioned, diba, every day is different. And not just every day, it could be like every moment in class could change.
Yes.
So being able to adapt and to be ready, it takes a lot of skills and maturity and experience. And nung nilatag ka dun, you're ready. Kumbaga parang, if I feel like if mas bata-bata ka nilatag doon, baka, wait.
Diba? Or baka feeling ko more than ready, baka parang, parang, inaccept ko yung challenge.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga, parang nag-start ako, hindi ako ready.
Yeah,
May
okay,
ka
okay.
ba?
Yeah, gets.
May ka ba siya? Actually, gano'n naman eh. Pag may,
if it's something new.
Oo, lahat ng gagawin natin na first time or na bago, parang meron talaga siyang kaba.
Yeah.
Pero, I guess, in-embrace ko yung, parang bang, alam ko, aware ako na, dito talaga parang papunta.
Doon yung flow.
Oo, doon yung flow. Kasi ito, pagka, number 1, ganito ka, number 2, number 3, equals, dito ka talaga mapupunta. Yeah. Parang ganun. So, parang I just embraced it. But, I can't say na parang wala akong question mark. Ito ba? Ito na ba yun? Ito ba yung gusto ko? Parang, mas gusto ko mag-perform eh. Alam mo yun? May ganon, di ba? Gusto ko mag-perform eh. But, if I stay true to dun sa mga na-learn ko before, sa experiences natin. And what we really preached during that time, na dance is for everyone.
Yeah.
Or like, yun nga, parang, I think this is the path. Like, you chose your path. Diba? Parang ako, parang, okay, I think this is the community na kailangan kong sharean nung ano. Kasi, yung community natin ngayon, parang, ang dami ng, ang dami na, and it's so big, na sobrang ganda na parang kaya na.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon. So,
it's thriving on its own.
Yes, oo.
Kumbaga.
So, ngayon, parang, I think, there's no other direction. But, if you're really true to it, there's no other direction but for you to, like,
share it outside the community.
Outside.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's scary kasi
ibang path kasi yung, kumbaga parang ibang path yung tinahak.
Oo.
Kumbaga parang rough road siya, tapos hindi ka sure, tapos ikaw yung nag-upsweight. Ikaw yung nag-ganon diba?
I think for many of us, yung batch natin, parang, sure ba?
Trial and error.
Yes, trial and
error. Pero we stayed there.
Yeah.
Parang inano natin na parang, okay, I feel like kaya. Parang kayang may daan dito.
Kaya.
Parang
ganun siya. Yeah. Pero yun na nga, kaya may takot, ganon. Pero, basta for me, if totoo ka sa your own mission, it will work out. Tsaka you will really just attract the right people for you. Kung ano yung, paano mo kailangan i-equip yung sarili mo, you will really attract it. Yeah. So, Ganon lang din yung nangyari sa akin. Parang, ngayon, I'm happy with the organizations that I'm part of. And I'm very picky sa kung sino yung, kasi saan ako associated. I make sure na that we mutually benefit from each other. So, Special Olympics, ganon. Beast House, ganon. The school now where I work at, ganon. Ang dami kong na-learn as a different kind of teacher. And then, I also have another, parang, I'm part now of a gym where I work out. Kung nakikita nyo. Lagi ako nag-workout na yan. Yun din. Yeah. Like, I closely work with them. So, I learn a lot na kailangan ko din for my dancing.
Yeah.
Ganon. So,
Ang saya. I mean, kapag talagang kilala mo na yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Like, sobrang na-mold na siya. Talagang alam mo na kung sino and where
And,
else you can expand.
Yes.
And who to share your energy with.
Yes, yes,
Diba?
yes.
Especially like now, na parang time is more expensive than money.
Yes.
I mean, how you spend your time, how you spend your energy, you have to make sure that the conversations you have adds to like to how you want to grow as a person, not just a dance artist, but as a person.
Yes.
Kasi it expands you more eh. Kasi syempre, we encounter different communities, different people. And what you did, how you changed so many lives, girl, ibang level yon. Like, hearing the story, like, a simple move.
Yes.
Being able to feel the joy that they feel and their families feel, that's so powerful. And I mean, but still, you're doing it through dance.
Yes.
Very you. I mean, that's the power of it.
You don't have to change who you are.
Yeah.
Kailangan lang improve mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Ganun lang.
Yeah.
Pero, parang, like, with teaching, I don't see myself na parang stopping soon. Because, but I feel like I'm barely scratching the surface. Now that I know na I'm equipped to really do it. So, I still want to share what I know. Not just, I mean, for everyone. Kung sino gusto matutugo.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, alam mo yun, parang tayo, we've experienced so much with dancing.
Yeah.
Performing, traveling,
lahat na, girl.
Competing, diba?
Being on stage, performing individually as a group.
Diba? And it's
commercial,
so,
lahat
like,
na.
Hindi mo siya mapapalitan.
Yeah.
Like, parang ang saya-saya sumayaw.
Yeah.
Diba? That's why, like, even, you wanna try to give that sa next.
Yeah.
Kasi parang ngayon, dati nga, di natin alam kung paano eh. Diba? Parang, diba dumating pa tayo sa time na lalo na nung lumalabas pa lang yung mga styles, parang, sige, go lang.
Diba? Lahat na lang.
Lahat go lang. Pero ngayon na paved na.
Yeah.
Diba? You wanna lead them to that road. And parang dati, because yung experience natin was same tayo ng experience, di ba? Mas magkakasama tayo.
Yeah.
Magko-compete tayo, magbabalik dito, mag-training, mag-show, gano'n. Hindi pala, yun din na-realize ko eh. Parang, 10 years after, hindi pala ganun yung path na ituturo mo. Magpe-pave ka pa pala ng road.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, alam mo na.
Yeah.
Medyo may idea ka na kung paano na, okay, ito yun. Kasi, or like, we know na, okay, we cannot do this because this is what happened to us. Alam mo yun, alam mo na yung do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
Medyo, matutulungan mo na sila. Like, how do we go about it in terms of experiencing dance or like learning dance. Alam mo yun, parang ngayon, madami.
Iba yung ways.
Iba. Parang madami akong tinuturo sa classes ko na yung mga ginawa kong mali. Doon ko natutunan from my mistakes before na parang ito yung ginagawa ko dati na inefficient. Now, I know na okay, ito na tuturo ko sa inyo. Parang madali na yun.
Yeah.
Mas clear.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun.
Yeah. Mas carved, kumbaga.
Mas carved. Yes.
Ganda nun. Kasi syempre, di ba, parang nag-change, nag-evolve yung dance. Yeah. And yung movement mismo.
Yes.
I mean, before, parang, siguro nung time natin, parang, sayaw-sayaw lang siya, ganyan. Pero now, if you find your purpose through dance, as in, marami kang ma-reach. And like, it's not just dance. It's not just movement. There's so much more in it. And like, kahit di natin alam na parang, shocks, lahat ng experiences natin, it really added to who we are now. Yeah. Parang ganyan.
And it reflects.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it added to who we are, tapos nagre-reflect siya sa kung paano tayo sumayaw.
Mm.
Paano yung tindig natin. Iba
Yeah.
na. Pinanood natin lahat tayo. Pinanood natin yung sarili natin 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Iba.
Yeah.
Iba na. Because we know how to carry ourselves better.
Yeah.
Not that we didn't know how to carry ourselves then. Di ba?
Or baka hindi lang tayo sobrang mindful nun.
Yun.
Like, as in, bara-bara, ganyan.
I think that's the
I
word.
feel.
Parang yung mindfulness, parang yun yung pinaka-na-add sa akin. Ngayon, na parang when I'm teaching, when I'm performing, parang mindful na ako. Hindi yung parang, let's go. Pasok, labas, ganun. Oo.
Fine.
Na siya. Oo. Tsaka, lalo na, babalikan ko yung teaching. Parang, kasi before, wala namang masyadong classes before.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang tayo lang magtuturan.
Yeah.
Tapos, nagre-research, nag-YouTube, ganyan. Ngayon, ang dami ng classes, ang dami ng studios, which is so good.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, so good for the community, ang daming options,
Yeah.
ang daming magagaling na choreographers. But for me, one thing that's very important for me is, medyo mahal na din yung classes ngayon. Diba?
That's true.
Parang it's not the same as before na parang ma-afford mo siya, gano'n. But now, medyo mahal na. So, I want to make sure as a teacher, you get your money's worth.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? So, parang, yun din yung gusto mong ma-impart. Na kailangan quality.
Yeah.
That's why we keep doing what we do eh.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba?
And until now, we're still learning.
Yes, oo.
Kasi nag-iiba-iba talaga yung process of teaching.
Correct.
And how to like approach the students. Yeah.
Correct.
Oh my gosh, amateur natin. Charot. Ano? Tanda na.
Oo, naman seryoso.
Oh my God. Pero you know what? Even before, like parang, I've noticed na that you have that kind of like, iba ka eh. Iba. I mean, parang iba. Hindi, like parang, if there's something that I respect about you before, like, siguro kung dati, iniisip ko, ay, like, naalala mo dati, pag lumalabas tayo, ganyan. Tapos ikaw yung unang laging nawawala. Yung parang niloloko natin, ay, ninja si Krista, ganyan. Pero, when I think of it now, na parang, shocks. She respects her space, her time. Na parang, girl, I gotta go. I gotta do my thing. And I mean, that fact that you know na parang, girl, I need rest. And I need to respect and listen to my body. That time, kumbaga, girl, ano ka na? I feel like kung yung dati ninja, pero kung iisipin ko siya ngayon, kailangan natin yun eh. Kailangan natin that right boundaries or that right, parang yung limit na parang, girl, we all need to take good care of our bodies. We have to have that space for ourselves to grow. Alam mo yun, yung parang ganyan, hindi pwede na parang,
laban lang ng
go.
laban.
I mean, parang, girl, and I respect you for that. Kasi parang nung nababalikan ko siya, oo nga, no, parang,
ninja exit.
Ang hirap nang gawin, diba? Pero like, parang, parang, kasi ngayon, girl, parang ako, if I'm in a, like, parang, ikaw talaga naisip ko, oo nga, no, parang, girl, 2 hours lang ako dito, okay na yan. Minsan ganyan. Kasi, syempre, we won't be able to help others. We won't be able to expand the community that we want to like palakihin or yung gusto nating sharean if tayo mismo hindi tayo nourished or hindi tayo well rested or wala tayong time to reflect.
Yeah.
Kasi bago tayo makatulong sa iba, tulungan mo nga sarili natin, 'di ba?
Correct.
So parang bigla ko lang siya naisip. Naalala?
Hindi, kasi, alam mo, paano ba to? Hindi, notorious ako sa ganyan, talaga.
Oo nga.
Nagpe-French exit ako.
Oo.
Di talaga ako magpapaalam sa mga tao na aalis ako. Una, because ang daming papaalamanan.
True naman.
Kasi ang dami-dami natin. So parang,
lahat nadaanan mo?
Oo, hindi ako makaka-uwi. Kung magpapaalam ako sa pangalawa.
Parang 1 hour ka magpapaalam.
Correct. Or hindi ka talaga makaka-uwi.
Oo.
Or pipigilan ka.
Oo.
Pangalawa, I just really know myself na yung social battery ko,
Yeah.
mabilis talagang maubos.
Mm-mm.
So, for me, aanuhin mo pa ako.
Kung wala,
diba?
then ba't na?
Andun nga yung
Physical.
tao ko. Ang tao ko nandun. Pero, wala na akong bibigay
Empty bat
sa'yo.
na.
Empty bat na. Pangatlo, morning person talaga ako.
Yeah.
Hanapin mo ako sa umaga. Andun ako.
Let's go.
I'm alive and I'm kicking. Pero pag medyo mga gabi na, alam ko na yan talaga. Pagka may mga lakad tayo,
Oo.
syempre pag may shows,
Yeah.
kailangan.
Laban.
Iniirap ang labanan nun. Kung mga shows na madaling araw, hindi ko, parang, sige na, push na to. Pero pag kayo mga gimikan, alam ko na to.
Kaya na to. 1 hour lang ako dito. 30 minutes.
French exit na ako nito.
Pero true. Pero like, parang dati natatawa. Anyway,
Alam mo,
kilala ka na namin na gano'n. Pero
kahit
like
hanggang ngayon, natatawa pa rin naman ako. Ginagawa ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
Naisip ko na rin siya gano'n. Actually, ginagawa na rin naman siya. Kasi like, parang ako, nga, no, bakit nga ba? Pwede naman gumuna. Kasi kailangan ko na, I need time for myself. And I feel like, parang isa yun sa kailangan i-normalize, no?
Yes.
Parang give each other like that time and
the space.
And like, iba. Like, parang okay, respect, go.
Pero
okay,
yung dati naman, ina-explain ko, defensive. Hindi yung dati. Like, I appreciate din pag hinahanap ako.
Yeah. Oh,
Kasi
naman.
pinipigilan ako. Kasi syempre, gusto
They wanna spend time with you.
Oo,
ganyan.
ganon. Pero,
Minsan din na kaya.
again, hindi talaga kaya. Pag mga 11 o'clock na. Hindi talaga.
Dati, 11, paalis pa lang.
Oo. Lalo na pag mga paalis pa lang ng 11.
Oo.
Parang, oh my God, parang kakape pa ako niyan.
Yeah.
Para lang magising ako ulit.
Yeah.
Pero iba lang talaga yung morning person lang
Yeah.
talaga ako. Kahit na mahilig akong gumimik, alam ko sa sarili ko, morning person talaga ako. Kaya big event sa akin pag lalabas tayo, kailangan maghandaan ko yung yung utak ko. Kailangan siyang
Para tumagal.
Oo, para tumagal. Or like, kunwari, meron tayong minsan, di ba, may mga pumupunta dito to visit us, yung mga, natin, may invite natin. Siyempre, you have to,
take them out.
Ganon. Mga ganon yun. Pero pag tayo lang, sorry.
Okay na, kaya nyo na yan.
Kaya nyo na yan. Hindi ko, kahit hanggang ngayon.
Yeah.
Pero ang gusto ko ngayon kasi, madami nang ganon ngayon.
Yeah, true. Same.
Parang, pag nagkaya ako, hindi na ako weird. Dati, pag nagsabi ako na, uwi na ako. Uwi ka na, oras pa lang, 1 pa lang.
Ngayon, pag nagkaya ka na, tara na.
11 pa lang, 11:30. May iba na magsasabi, 11:30 ha?
Okay, sabay-sabay na tayo.
Wow, thank you.
Perfect.
Ganun na siya.
I love it.
Yun, tsaka, tama yung sinasabi mo like, parang ngayon, so dati, alam ko, ugali ko lang talaga yun na kailangan ko umuwi ng maaga. Pero ngayon, mindfully, again, mindful na naman tayo.
Word of the day.
Mindfully, I really just know my limits. Kasi, like, anong mabibigay ko sa'yo kung talagang ubos na ako? So,
baka titigan ko lang ako
diba? So, sa umaga na lang tayong magkita. Ganon.
Yeah.
Or like, we can spend time ng... Tsaka kasi ngayon, parang dami kong mga activities din during the morning. So, I make it a point na yung schedule ko, pag mga bandang 9 p.m., wala na yan. Ano na yan?
Clear na?
Clear na yan.
Ano
Ready
na tayo?
ano
ka na?
Nag-lamos
care ka
na. Nilamos na ako. Skincare na ako. Ready to.
I love it.
Ready to sleep na ako.
Oh my gosh. I love.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Kasi, wala naman ako activities sa gabi talaga. So, yun nga, most of my activities, and physical kasi yung activities You're teaching, you're dancing, tapos nag-workout pa ako, nag-run pa ako sa umaga. So, if I want that kind of lifestyle, I need the discipline that matches that lifestyle. So,
true.
Sorry talaga. Pag 9 p.m., oo.
So,
pero may
na
exception
lang.
naman. May exception
Pwede na, ayan, brunch na lang after yung morning routine.
Actually nga, puro brunch yung ngayon. That's early dinner.
Oo. Ganon. True. Kaya naman. Kasi actually, mas productive nga rin talaga pag morning. Kapag nagigising ka maaga.
Yeah.
Minsan nga ako ganun, share lang ako ng morning na okay, tapos after na next. Very, that's so true. And syempre, diba, like we really have to take good care of ourselves, our bodies, para mas marami tayong next generation.
Correct.
Oh my gosh, mas marami tayong share.
Correct.
Sharean. At yung longevity rin ng art form, ng movement.
Oh.
Like ngayon, it's really about the habit, that lifestyle, that consistency na parang, girl, I gotta do this. And has to be done every day.
Yes.
Ganyan. And yun, sobrang nakaka-inspire din yung mga stories mo kasi yun nga yung jogging mo. Like, everyday yung jogging sa New York. Girl, ang ganda naman pag-jogging niya. Sis, I love it. Tapos, pero one time, nag-jogging tayo. Naka 1 kilometer na tayo. Sorry, Rama.
Hindi, kasama natin si Osman kasi. Sightseeing si Osman.
Oo.
Relax lang.
Dun sa rock.
Relax
pero
lang
like,
yun.
diba? Nakakatuwa.
Happy jog lang.
Oo. Ang saya. And like,
kahit ako din na tuwa ako kasi like, I've never considered myself na sporty. Wala kasi, lumaki ako na wala naman akong sport. Mas more on arts yung exposure ko. So ngayon na parang na-expose ako sa ganun, I have a community na yun yung finifeed sa akin. Tapos, ang dami ko ding nalalearn eh.
Yeah, I love that.
Alam mo yung parang, ito siya, that's why it's so important for me. Like, kunwari, yung running, like, or another discipline. Sometimes, like, kunwari, with dancing, you're always doing it every day. You're used to a certain habit. Sometimes, you don't know na some of your habits there, pwede mo pang i-improve.
Yeah.
But because you're doing something else, ibang discipline, may makikita ka na, oh gosh, pwede atang mag-work to dito. Yeah. So, meron kang ibang titingnan from your choices of activities na you can learn from and then apply it.
Yeah.
Oo. So, yung pinaka-focus mo, which is dancing,
lalong nag-grow.
Lalong nag-grow. Tapos, ang gusto ko din kasi doon, mabilis akong manawa. Like, kung everyday ako magsasayaw.
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
So, I want a variety of things to do in a day. And then plus, it gives me a boost, not just physically, but mentally. Because, let's say, in a day, you're teaching, you're running, what else? You're performing. So, umaga pa lang, kung tatakbo ako, kung na-hit ko yung goal ko, I feel, parang, yes. So, madadala ko yung feeling na yun.
My sense of achievement.
Madadala ko yung
sa next activity.
Next. Yeah. Or, if, hindi ko na-reach yung goal ko, I have another chance. Parang, okay, sige mamaya, babawi ako. Dito sa classes ko na ituturo. Babawi ako. Alam mo yun, parang more more chances of winning.
Yeah.
Ganun siya. So, ganun. That's why I really try my best to give these things time. Kasi, na-feel ko, nag-improve ako. And parang, kahit saan mo siya ilagay, like, parang you will win the day. Ganon. Yeah. Parang kahit na hindi mo matapos yung goal mo sa takbo mo, parang kunwari 5 kilometers lang. Tapos 2 kilometers na gawin. Tumakbo ko pa rin, nag-pause ka pa rin. So, ganon.
I love it.
Very
nakakatuwa, girl.
Mature.
True. Actually, nung nakita nga kita na yung nag-Sparta ka, I was like, girl! Woo! I mean, yes. I mean, parang, alam mo yun, talaga nag-evolve. Like, everything, movement, it adds to the dance, it adds to the expression, it adds to, like, the quality of what you're doing.
Yeah.
And, syempre, as a teacher, kailangan meron ka ring other outlet to learn. Na parang dun sa kabilang activity, ikaw yung student, ikaw yung parang baby.
Correct.
Tapos sa kabila, ikaw yung parang, you will impart yung mga knowledge na nakukuha mo. Yes. And ganun lang talaga ang life. Wow. Diba? Parang it's a cycle. It's like, it's a never-ending learning process.
Yes.
And hindi pwede tayong maging stagnant na parang, okay na yan. And ito na yung na-reach ko. No. Especially if you have the mindset na parang, you have the mindset that you want to constantly expand.
Yes.
dadating siya eh. Parang, isa-surround ka with the right people.
Yes.
And the right communities. Especially the communities that you're surrounded with now. Diba? Talagang helpful siya sa'yo.
Yes,
Katawa, girl.
Super talaga. As in,
diba?
kahit ako, ngayon,
I'm happy for you.
Ngayon na sinasabi mo siya sa akin, mas nare-realize ko na, oh my gosh, oo nga no, parang, I appreciate more kung nasan ako ngayon.
Mm-hmm.
Parang, I just, like, this, where I'm at now, like, I just kept building on it.
Mm-hmm.
And just being mindful.
Yeah.
Naman. Hindi, every time if I feel like it adds sa akin, okay, sige, go lang ng go. And then, ito na, parang, I have this community, and this, and this. And then, yun na, parang, nag-intersect na siya sa akin. Na parang, ito na ngayon yung mga gusto kong gawin. Ito na yung exposure ko. Ito na yung, dito na ako masaya. Ganon. Yeah. And yun naman yung, I think, yun naman yung importante kasi, syempre, very career-oriented tayo. Ang dami nating goals na gustong ma-achieve. Pero at the end of the day, we have to check then, happy pa ba? Ganon.
Yeah.
So, okay lang. Like with me, parang I'm at this point na I'm happy because I found different sources of happiness. Parang pag dito, or different sources of inspiration.
Yeah.
Ang dami.
Yeah.
So, hindi ako parang, syempre papagod din ako, pero I feel na parang the past year, parang hindi ako naubusan. Parang, napapagod ako physically, but
you're constantly fueled.
Yes.
By these people.
May fuel. Parang pag dito medyo natutuyot ako. Titingin ako dito. Okay.
Yeah.
Ayoko. Titingin ako ganun.
Yeah.
So,
I know.
yun siya.
Kasi talaga, no, magandang maging surrounded by the people you're inspired with.
Yes.
Kaya nga, dito ka, girl, kasi inspired.
Uy, ano mo yun? Segue.
Totoo. Totoo, girl. Totoo, promise. I mean, hindi nga tayo nagkikita hindi naman kailangan magkita everyday or minsan nga sa isang buwan di nagkikita Pero
girl,
like seeing...
ilang taon nata tayo hindi nagkita, girl.
Pero like, diba, seeing the work that your friends are doing, grabe, parang it inspires you to push na parang, girl, may bago siya. Parang, I feel like, wow, kaya pa. Kaya pa. We can still do it. It's just we have to find what's right for us. And what feels good for us. Exactly. What makes you happy.
Oo. Pero,
diba?
If it doesn't make you happy,
edi bye.
Hindi, diba? Parang,
true.
you have to self-check din eh. Minsan, akala mo hindi ka na happy, yung pala pagod ka na. Mga ganong things. So, kaya sobrang important na check mo din yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Saka, of course, ako din naman, like, lalo na nung nag-reconnect tayo sa New York. As in, grabe. Hindi talaga, isipin mo yung first time natin magkasama tayo sa New York. Iba ba yung tsura natin? Ano ba? Isipin mo, from, that was 2015, and then 9 years after. Ganun ka. Ano ba? Habang nandun ka sa ang tawag nito, sa latex. Yun iniisip ko. Sabi ko, oh my God, the baby steps and the big steps that you had to take. And like, even if we don't talk every day, like, it's palpable. Nakikita siya na alam ko na parang like, si Saisa, yan yung thing niya. Talagang, ito yung ginagawa niya. And it showed. Like, I'm super, like, hindi ko na alam ko nung gagawin ko doon. As in,
fairness, nagtagal ka doon, girl.
Oy.
Anong oras yun?
2 a.m. ako. 2 a.m. ako doon. Oy, paano sa'yo na 2 a.m. ako?
Uy, girl, kayo pala yung nakakita sa akin ng live, no?
Doon, no?
Nakakatuwa.
Actually, alam mo ba, naisip ko, shucks, like, after how many years na ginagawa mo yun, ngayon lang, I felt, in a way, nung time na yun, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, sana pala last year nagpunta ako, or the years na, other years, kasi, halos every year naman ako nandun. Kabisita. Pwede ko namang i-timing na nandun ka. But I also feel like right timing. Alam mo yon na parang I'm so like, nung nandun ka, isipin mo, ikaw lang yung mag-isang, ikaw yung nagbubuhat doon as a Filipina na like I have no words watching you. I can only just, like, alam mo yung parang feeling ko, binibigay ko, in time, binibigay ko lang yung spirit ko, go, Siza, go. Kasi, syempre, alam nga, sumigaw ako doon. Hindi mo rin naman ako maririnig. But, alam mo yan, like, being there, watching you, like, even if hindi mo physically or nakikita yung support, but just me being there, I felt so happy for you and proud of you. Kasi, hindi joke na mag-stay ka na, ano mo yun?
True.
Diba?
True.
Hindi joke yung tinake mo na steps. Yeah. So, like, yun. And I'm sure, like, it comes with success like that. It comes with everything. With, diba? With everything.
All the arte.
With all the arte. Ganyan. But, basta masaya ka.
Yeah.
Yun naman eh. And yun naman din yung nakita ko eh. Kahit na alam ko na parang, syempre, ilalaban mo po. But at the end of the day, happy ka na nandun ka. Happy ka to represent us. Happy ka to represent the community that you're taking care of. And then also, like, kami na mga kabatch mo, sobra kaming
oh my gosh, girl, ano pa gagawa natin ngayon, no?
Diba?
Grabe, no? Nakakatuwa. Grabe.
Natutulala na lang.
natin. Pero like, totoo, sobrang thank you. Thank you for being there. And ako, I'm constantly inspired by talaga sa'yo, sa ginagawa mo. Yung simpleng jogging mo, girl. Nainggit ako sa jogging mo. Mag-walking pad ako. Dapat naka 5 km din ako. Seryoso. Alam mo yung mga simple stories na yun, nakaka-boost siya na parang, girl, have to be, like this and that. I mean, it rekindles a fire, a light na parang, let's do this. Like, ganyan, nakakatuwa. And syempre, like you mentioned nga kanina, punta tayo dun sa the other communities that you're with and you're surrounded with. Right now, isa ka rin sa like anong tawag doon? Main instructors of Beast House. Group sessions, and syempre, dance pa din, of course, your own style, your own flavor, and your trainings with them, and 'di ba? Syempre ibang community yung sa gym, ibang community yung sa Special Olympics, and with Beast House. Kasi itong Beast House, siya yung parang template natin dati in terms of like teaching. Like dance.
Yeah.
Pero kasi I've been seeing you like traveling yun nga constantly New York, back and forth, and hello, Beast House is known for excellence, and like really yung mga students nila ngayon, they're really improving so much.
Yeah.
Na parang sila na mismo pwede na magturo. Ganong level na I'm sure kayo mismo as instructors and teachers, constantly you're being challenged and like you really want to take it to the next level.
Yeah.
Ganyan. And kaka 10 years nyo lang ang Beast House.
Grabe.
And you're still there. Ito yung, dito tayo pupunta, okay? Gustong ito parang medyo mas light. Since ikaw, si Jam, at saka si Chris,
si Bea.
Ano ba yan? Kayo tatlo yung lagi yung kakasama. Just a fun game.
Okay.
If there is one word that you would want to describe Bea and Jam, separately separate words. Oo. Sige, una si Bea muna. If there's one word that you would wanna describe her, what would that word be?
Real.
Si
Bea.
Real talaga. Real. Be real. I love it.
Real.
How about,
oh my God. Mapapanood kaya niya to.
Sorry mo, sis. Part na to. How about si Jam?
Si Jam. Excellent. No other word.
Yeah.
Talaga.
I love it. And being surrounded by real and excellence. Girl.
Yes. Sobra.
Perfect tripod. Ano tawag that?
Tripod naman.
Yeah.
Trifecta.
Trifecta ba yun? Tripod.
Ano ba? Trifecta. Sa vocabulary ko. Tama naman yung tripod. Pero parang trifecta ata.
Pero di ba, oo nga, tama.
But
Yun pala yun.
No, alam mo, like, now, kasi hindi naman ako part ng pioneer members ng Beast House. I came in maybe halfway, I think, through
their journey.
And ako, I really applaud Jam's leadership talaga and her vision. And when you're surrounded by people like that, ikaw mismo sa self mo, may inspire ka. Parang, kung if you really want to be better, you will allow yourself yung inspiration na yun. Kasi we can, pwede namang, okay na ako na ganito. Diba? So, pwedeng ganon. And wala, hindi rin siya masama. Ganon. But, yun nga like, it's, an energy like that is infectious. And pag ganun yung energy, you have to allow it to happen.
Yeah.
Para ano. And
don't resist,
diba?
Girl.
Don't resist.
Just
At saka,
expand.
I feel like it's meant to be na sila yung kasama ko. So, if hindi, dapat any trickling or ripple effect nun, hayaan ko siyang
mag-manifest.
Hayaan ko lang siyang mag-manifest. And a lot of the things that I do now, a lot of the things na kung sino ako ngayon, it's because of, like, I'm surrounded with people na katulad nila. Real and excellent.
Yeah.
Diba? And yun nga, with Beast House ngayon, parang yung 10 years nila, I wasn't there nung syempre, nagsusupport ako. Diba? Nagsusupport ako noon, pero hindi naman talaga ako Beast House. Kasi nung time na yun, talagang magkakasama talaga tayo noon. So, nung si Jam nagkaroon na siya nung binuo niya yung Beast House, syempre, support tayo, gano'n. So, like, to see it grow and culminate sa Soler, yung 10 years, I consider myself a spectator. Kahit part ako ng production, kahit na teaching, kahit na faculty ako, I am still a spectator and I'm still in awe sa ginawa nila. And I'm there to support kung ano yung ano nila, yung vision, yung excellent
that
vision.
magic,
Yeah, that magic. And kasi ang tinuturo ko naman doon is groove sessions, which is dance. So, ano din ako, like, I see to it na what I teach naman in dance translates na ganun din, na maayos. Yeah. Like, I know, like, I think I've figured out na what their students need. Kasi their students are primarily pole and the aerial students, and then parang nagko-cross-train sila into dance. So, ito na yung binibigay ko. And with groove sessions, ano yan like, parang, ang focus ko talaga doon is quality of movement, performance, foundations. Yeah. Yun lang. I don't veer away from that. If you check my mga, mga routines for them, lahat yan umiikot doon. Kasi yun naman yung for me, yun yung need. Whether you're a beginner dancer or you're an advanced dancer, yun yung tatlo. Pag plakado ka sa tatlo, salang go, diba? Pero yun like, it took a while. Kasi nga, diba, pag di mo pa siya masyadong alam, yung ano mo as a teacher, yun nga, nangibabaw na, ay, tuturo ko tong choreo na to. Dope choreo na ituturo ko, gano'n. Yeah. But yun nga, if you focus talaga kung ano yung need ng student, then you go back to those 3 things.
Yeah.
So, yun siya.
I love. It's not just being a teacher. It's mentorship. It's like really like honing the students and like giving them the best quality.
The best. And like exactly what they need. Parang if you have the chance to tailor fit it to
Yeah.
your student, if you can talk to the student during the
Mhm.
class, okay, this is what you need, go. Kasi
Mhm.
you want to give them quality
Yeah.
na learning.
Mhm.
Parang hindi, like, it's money, it has to be money well spent.
Yeah.
Yun talaga. Like tayo, pag nagka-class tayo,
Mm.
diba?
Yeah.
Yun din yun eh. Kasi
Yeah.
parang kunwari kami, we
Mm.
have the chance, we have the opportunity to take classes abroad, and we know the type of teachers that we want, and those are quality teachers.
Yeah.
Hindi siya yung parang teachers lang na
Yeah.
parang pucho-pucho.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Na, pero gusto mo siyang
Yeah.
dalhin. Gusto mo, ma-inspire ka din.
Yeah.
Once you go out, parang,
How they teach.
how they teach. Yun din, parang,
Yeah.
parang, shucks. Or magugulat ka sa sarili mo, uy, ang bilis ko siyang na-learn.
Mm-hmm.
So, itatry mo isipin, like, okay, ano ba yung teaching style niya na
Yeah.
pwede kong apply sa my own teaching or my own
Yeah.
students. Ganun.
Katuwa, no? Grabe.
Light ba yun? Sabi mo, ito mas light tayo. Oo naman, hindi. I mean,
Yun talaga eh.
yun talaga
Diba?
yung, oo. Yeah.
Yun na yung energy eh.
Correct.
And yun nga, yung talagang parang, ano eh, sabay-sabay eh. Sabay-sabay yung growth if you're all in the same wavelength. If you're all in the same, like, that, pare-pareho kayo ng mindset.
Yes.
Diba? Kapag lahat kayo na parang, alam
And-
nyo sa sarili nyo na parang,
Yeah.
I'm willing to try this, I'm willing to dive
Yeah.
this, I'm willing to explore this, because
Yeah.
I know it will add to where I
Your
am,
growth.
and it will
Yeah.
add to like the skill that yung
Mhm.
gusto mong marating at yung gusto mong mangyari.
Yeah, yeah. That's why
Yeah.
sobrang important nga na kung sino yung kasama mo
Yeah.
talaga. Na
Mm.
you have to feel na you're supported
Yeah.
sa mga plano mo,
Yeah.
yung mga pinagagawa mo. Kasi you cannot do it alone. Hindi talaga.
Kailangan
Diba?
talaga ng pushers.
Oo, kailangan ng pusher, but
Yung mga ano,
you cannot do it alone. But alam mo yung parang to some extent, ikaw din.
You have to do it
Oo, may part no
by
na
yourself.
parang
Yeah.
maglo-lone wolf
Yeah.
ka. But
Yeah.
I guess, feeling ko like, yung nagpapagaan nung journey na yon is knowing na paglingon mo, andyan.
Yeah.
May tao lang. Pero
Yeah.
ikaw yung maglalakad ng
Yeah.
path na yun.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Kasi technically, kung titingnan mo, lahat naman kayo may iba-ibang ginagawa on your own.
yeah, oo.
Pero, pagka girl, game on, pak,
Oo. Pag
Ito.
sinabi mo na,
together,
yung gusto kong- oo,
power.
ito yung gusto kong gawin, sige,
Mm.
let's do that for you. Or like, pwede din na parang, medyo hindi
Yeah.
ka, alam mo yan,
Oo.
call out
True.
ka. Oo.
True. Accountability.
Oo,
na
kailangan
parang,
mo din ng,
sis, wait lang.
parang,
Yeah.
ano.
That
Diba?
honesty, no?
Oo,
That
kailangan mo
honesty. Yeah.
Oo, and it comes from a place na,
Of love
of
din.
love and
Yeah.
concern. Hindi
Yeah.
siya yung parang because they are
Mm.
stopping you
Yeah.
na
Yeah.
to become
Yeah.
better. Hindi
Yeah.
ganun. Like, it comes from a place of concern and of
Mm.
love.
Yeah, those
Yeah.
people, surround yourself with the people that will help you reach your highest potential.
Yes.
Diba? Yun yung
Yes.
pinaka-kailangan natin sa life. Kaya nga very important din that alam natin where and how to spend our time and our energy. Kasi talagang kailangan, like ngayon, in our careers, like we have our own goals. We have, and we should also respect that lahat ng kasama natin, they have their own goals as well. Pero when you get together na parang, okay, ganyan. Kasi iba na yung conversations eh, diba?
Yeah.
Pag nag-uusap, iba yung conversations.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
from the conversation itself, natututo. And to be honest, I'm really proud where we're all at now.
Yeah.
And like seeing na parang, girl, we're still pushing.
Mm-mm.
Pero it's crazy. Nakakatuwa. Like
Yeah,
from,
yeah.
and that's
And
that's,
kahit, alam mo yun, kahit di tayo masyadong nga
Hindi,
nag-uusap.
oo.
Pero like,
pag nagkikita,
parang,
yun.
ganun,
Yeah.
connect agad.
So true. So true. I love it.
And then,
Ay, may question ako.
Uy! Nakakatakot! Director's cut na ba ito? Ano ba yung part ng director's cut?
Hindi. You know what? If there's something na gusto mong i-advise, like sa next generation dancers
Okay.
now. Girl, like, going through everything in your dance career. Kasi lahat talaga, like from lahat ng klaseng performance, nagawa, lahat na lahat ng styles, being on stage, being backstage, like lahat, lahat talaga, commercial, underground, being a director, lights person, sound, alam mo yon, lahat. Being equipped by those skills, with those skills, ano yung sa tingin mo would you advise to the next generation, like dancers now, na parang if let's say you're in their position, or let's say kausapin mo yung sarili mo dati and ikaw ngayon, ano yung sasabihin
Siguro
mo?
ganun na lang. Yung kakausapin ko na lang
Sarili
yung sarili ko. No? Mahirap
sa bagay,
advice,
kasi iba-iba nga ng journey.
Oo, iba-iba ng journey. Pero ako siguro, because as a dancer, kasi nung time ko, hindi ako ganun ka-exposed sa proper classes.
Yeah, kasi wala
naman, nung time na yun. Siguro, gugustuhin kong mag-take nung classes na yun.
More classes.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun, that's one. I feel like it would have taken me lesser time to learn the things na kailangan kong ma-learn. Technical. We're talking about technical. Yun, baka ganon. Tsaka, alam mo yung expression, parang parang I feel nung time ko, parang medyo limited pa yung expression ko. Siguro din kasi bata pa ako noon, madami pang iniisip masyado.
Yeah, maraming gustong gawin.
Tapos overthinking ka pa, ganon. So, yun siguro, baka yun, yung isa sa ko. Second, yung genuinely enjoy. Yun talaga.
Have fun.
Kasi, parang there's a reason kung bakit ito yung pinili natin. Di ba? Hindi naman natin ito pinili para maging
At saka di ba tayo tatagal dito kung hindi tayo masaya?
Oo, di ba? Pero yung nga minsan, the overthinking. Yun. So, like, never stop enjoying every moment na pwede kang sumayaw. And then, pag nafe-feel mo na
may kumakatok.
If ma-feel mo na parang teka, medyo, iba na yung feeling. Self-check.
Yeah.
Just self-check. Give yourself a moment na ma-assess. Kung nasan ka.
You can step back a little. And like, breathe.
Yeah. Ganon. And then, ano pa ba? Pwede kong i-ano sa sarili ko. Kasi pagdating naman sa dance mentors, hindi ako nakulangan. So, maswerte ako na yung mga dance mentors ko were really the best. You know? But, I guess now, kasi ang dami nang nagtuturo. Siguro ito yung exact na ma-advise ko is to really find your perfect match na teacher and mentor.
Yeah.
Ganon. Kasi, like, it's not just the skill na makukuha mo eh. It's also, like, the mentality. Ganon. And because there's a lot of really good teachers now, minsan, mahirapan kahanapin yung kamatch mo.
Yeah.
Na yung ka-wavelength mo. And for me, that's very important. Kasi, pag di mo ka-wavelength, kahit gustuhin ka pang turuan, hindi kayo magkakaintindihan kasi baka mahulog ko. Hindi kayo magkakaintindihan, di ba?
Oo,
Parang kahit na
true.
gusto mong, ang galing-galing niya, pero gusto mong ganon. Pero okay ako sa that part. Kasi nga, like, yung mga teachers ko naman dati, lalo na experience ko sa All-Stars, okay naman, dami ko talagang
learnings
dami kong na-learn. And parang doon ako na-equip talaga. Doon ako na-mold, ang dami kong natutunan. Pero, yun nga, the advice I can give sa mga new dancers ngayon. Find the teacher na kaswak mo. Find the group ngayon. Kasi ngayon, di ba, puro
groups, yeah.
So, find the group na mo. And if hindi mo pa nahahanap, hanapin mo lang. Di ba?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Kasi nga, dance is really meant for you na ma-enjoy mo. And you also need to give yourself the space and the opportunity. Kasi, di ba?
Yeah.
It's not this is the road less traveled.
Yeah.
Tama? Ano may sabi ko?
Oo. Yeah.
Yun, ito yun.
Yeah.
So,
be patient then.
if you're gonna pick this path, then, ano mo talaga, like, hanapin mo na. Kasi, hindi
yung
din
perfect
siya,
match.
Hindi din siya joke. So, kung medyo mahirap din siya na tatahakin. So, mabuti pa na kung tatahakin mo to, edi find the right people to take you sa journey na yun. Yung kasabayan mo. Para mas masaya.
Yeah, true. Mas masaya. At saka talagang ma-reach mo yung best version of you.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Oh, girl!
Asa mo?
Eto, charot. Pero
text ka pa rin.
Hindi. Pero diba, nakakatuwa lang talaga. Like, everything in dance, everything has a purpose. Like, where you are at now, yung ginagawa mo, and how you are constantly evolving and changing and like communicating the art of dance and sharing it to a bigger community, to different communities even, is something. So yeah, I'm really proud of you and I'm really happy for you where you are. And girl, magkita na ulit tayo sa New York. Mapili ko doon na tayo magkikita.
Papanoorin na naman kita. Isigaw na. Mag-stay na naman ako ng 2 a.m. para kay Saiza.
Pero diba? So like, yeah, thank you. Thank you for sharing
also.
your story.
Oh my gosh!
Ang dami naming...
Nakatagal tayo, no?
Girl. Ang dami ko natutunan. As in, ang dami kong natutunan sa journey mo. How you did it. How... Iba siya. And like seeing you, how calm, mukhang calm, ganyan siya. Very, how you carry yourself is incredible. Like,
thank
how, you. Iba girl. And,
thank you.
Mahirap siyang gawin, girl. Iba yung, iba. You are the type of teacher na I feel like, if you are a new dancer, you should experience. Kailangan nilang ma-experience si Krista Roma. Kasi girl, the mindset, the mentality, and the quality that you'll get from her class is international. Kaya girl, i-promote mo na yung classes mo.
Ayo! Promote! Attend kayo ng group sessions. I have an Instagram page naman. So you can check all the classes there. And then I'm also launching like a few other types of classes naman related din sa ginagawa ko. So everything naman I will update you all through the page.
Yeah, so don't forget, follow her socials. Yes. Ito siya.
Ay, gano'n.
Hindi tayo sure. Hindi tayo follow her on her socials and like, girl, take her class because the discipline is disciplining. And I'm sure you're gonna gain a lot of things from her and you'll learn from her. You'll learn so much. So, yes.
Pressure naman ako, no? Tapos wala kayo natutunan sa akin.
Again.
Meron.
Diba? Meron.
Oo.
Girl.
Yeah. Actually, any
quality.
And I
Yeah.
mean, any class, like, depende sa mindset mo as a student.
Yeah. So, if you're ready for her,
Yeah.
when you're ready for her, be ready for her.
Uy, nakatagal tayo. No?
Girl, I
Wait,
love it.
Akala ko wala akong masasabi. Honestly, medyo kabado. Pinagpapawisan yung kilikili ko sa podcast nito.
But yeah, diba? Ang dami ko na-discover about you, and I'm constantly learning from you, and like hearing your story, parang talagang nag-evolve. Iba na si Krista. Ibang-iba ka ngayon. And like, seeing that you know yourself well, iba yung feeling. So, girl.
Thank you also. Ano ba? Nag-recap na ba tayo? No, thank you also for, having me. Like, ang dami ko din na-learn. And also, like, most of all, like, what I was excited about this is to reconnect talaga with you. I mean, sa New York kasi busy girl. Oo, busy girl siya. So, syempre, di ba? Minsan lang naman mag-New York, di ba? Bakit
Ilang beses lang tayo nakita.
Di ba? Ba't ko naman na-istorbe? Doon pa kami magkukwentuhan. So, dito na lang. And I really want to applaud you. Really, with the work that you do, it's not easy, the road that you took. Alam mo yun. And I just, like, even if we don't see each other, maybe we'll see each other in New York again, know that I'm here to support you, regardless kung nandun ako o wala, but really, like, my energy is really there for you, and I'm super proud of not just who you are now, but yung talagang, grabe yung journey nito. Kahit, alam mo yun, I quietly follow you. Alam mo yun, di man ako nagko-comment or but I really, like, the things that she does now, lahat ng mga students na naturuan mo, and then the community that you've built, and then yung personal success mo sa sarili mo, like, sobrang, it was so different from
girl.
Diba, nung tayo
Thank you.
magkakasama?
Oo nga
So,
eh.
diba?
Nagagawa na ka dati.
Naisip mo ba?
Akalayo.
2024 Burger. Nung 2011.
Oh my God.
Ano style lang.
Ginagawa natin.
Diba? We used to dabble on a lot of things. Yeah. But I'm happy na you really found your who you are.
Ikaw din. Kaya nga tayo friends. Girl, diba? Yeah. I love it. So yes, ito na, nagbubuhatan na naman kami ng bangko, guys. Ganyan talaga. Kailangan nyo ng push sa lives nyo. Yung mga taong talaga maniniwala sa inyo, yung mga secretly are there, rooting for you. Yung mga tao na parang, they will scream your name even if you're not there. And yeah, nakakatuwa. And I'm happy that I'm surrounded by these powerful women. That's why we're here at Babae Sino Ka, for you to get to know them. And yeah, find your peers, find the right people to help you evolve and be the best version of yourself. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here, there, here.
Saan ba lalabas ba dito?
So yeah, that's the end of our podcast. Thank you again, Krista, for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me here.
Yes, and that's it. Bye.